All right, shoulder cars is a great mobility exercise because it does two things. It helps increase the range of motion of your shoulder in all the different positions, as well as forcing you to build strength in those positions because you're using your own muscles to put yourself there. All right, so what we do for shoulder cars, basically we're gonna start with our hand at our side. We're gonna try to keep our body as still as possible. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just lift. The back of your palm is out away from your body. You're gonna lift your arm up. Try to keep everything tight as you go through. You're gonna go back as far as you possibly can without turning your body. Keep your body facing forward. As far as you can, when you get to that limit of motion, push a little bit, then I want you to flip your hand over again 180 degrees so that the back of your palm, the back of your hand is again pointed out away from your body, and then continue to bring it down again. So now you're in the same position you started, okay? So to reverse that and do the other half, you're gonna go backwards. Going backwards up, keeping the palm towards your body, the back of your hand away from your body. You're gonna push up, up, up. Try to keep this all tight, keep your rib cage down. We're not leaning forward, standing tall. Push up as far as you can. Then when you get to that limit of range of motion, flip it back over so the back of your hand is away from you again. Keep going all the way around to you're back in that same starting position, okay? You're gonna do that forward and back is 1 rep, all right? If you have problems feeling that or understanding how to get that full range of motion, what you can do is you can use a wall as a guide. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to force that position and the adjustment of the joint into the shoulder, not compensate by leaning our body. So find a comfortable distance. You may start further away, and as you get better, increase your range of motion, you can get closer to the wall. Find something that's comfortable for now. The back of your hand stays against the wall. As you rotate up and around, go back as far as you possibly can. Again, without letting your body compensate, keep your rib cage tight. Go back as far as you can. Flip your hand over so the back of your hand is on the wall again. And then continue down in that circle till you're back in your starting position. Then you reverse and you go back the same way. Keep the back of your hand against the wall as far as you can. Then flip back over, back of your hand against the wall, and then continue around until you're back in that starting position, okay? That will help increase your range of motion as well as develop strength and stability in your shoulder.